Right into this world, all alone.
Don't question why she needs to be so free. She'll tell you it's the only way
He got an anonymous tip, or how'd he get here?
she just can't be chained to life where nothing's gained.
I wonder how she's going to work through this. Because usually she's tough as nails, but right now she seems quite shaken. Understandable, of course.
How'd you know I was there?
I heard it over the radio. Recognized the description of the car.
What?
Anonymous tip.
Yeah.
Jack, see you leave.
Told him I was at the hospital. Tell me what happened so I can help you.
Use your imagination.
Aliens? Werewolves? Vampires?
We'll go home, get you some clothes, then pick up Abel. I'll sign him in. We'll say we're running more tests.
You could get fired for that.
I'll figure it out.
That's her way to repay you for all those kisses, darling. Say thank you and never mention it again. The usual image. Bitches everywhere. Everyone's having at least one. How is that even possible? To fall asleep like that?
I love you.
What's her name, huh, dude? Tell me her name.
Daniels came into my hood and took out one of my guys.
How do you know it was anonymous?
That is my question as well.
Got him holding up 9 fingers.
Oh. So that's what Jax was doing last time.
Call Leroy. Tell him it's about to jump off. He's gonna need some guns.
At least you can make some money off this, huh? And he's getting creative. So close to retirement as well. Bit late actually to discover your hidden talents.
Otto wants to talk to us.
Guest starring Tom Arnold? Are you kidding me? I hope that's not the Tom Arnold I know.
Shit. Nita started today. Good morning.
That was hardly audible. Which is why she's coming after you.
Is something wrong?
No. I'm Dr. Knowles. I'm his doctor.
What kind of doctor is called Knowles? No one I would trust.
There's a number of small tears. There's nothing that won't heal on its own.
How do you explain that to Clay?
Start you on antibiotics right away. It's standard procedure to treat for chlamydia and gonorrhea even before the test results are back.
Oh good, so all she has to do is make up an affair.
You should have a plastic surgeon look at this.
I've been hit before.
Kidding me? A plastic surgeon? For a little cut? You really are Knowles, right?
Let him in.
Oh, sorry.
What? Tsk. Never seen the color blue before?
I told him you were in a car accident.
What?
Ran your caddy into a concrete barrier out by the utility shed. Take my head off if you want. I just didn't see any other way to sell this.
Now it all makes sense. She had sex with her affair while driving, and that's how she got chlamydia. And of course, that's how the accident happened.
Actually, they're all here. Jax and the guys.
Jesus Christ. Is there anyone you didn't tell?
Handle it.
Well, the day's young. Still plenty of time to drive around town and spread the word.
Found that man we visited. He's throwing up 9 fingers. Brown's a little pissed at Black.
So isn't that a reason for White to celebrate?
White on white? What's that about?
Her Aryan friends are getting a little choosy about who they burn crosses with. Something's trickling down from the top of Mount Whitey. Not sure what.
This season is really getting colorful. If you get my drift.
The nigger nanny said Jim got hurt in a car accident. Clay's laughing, playing with some little kid. You said this was gonna rip them up.
It will.
Oh, it was his idea. Well, now we know who we have to take out.
This bitch doesn't say anything. What the hell does that mean?
It means we underestimated Mrs. Morrow.
Well, since it was your idea, you underestimated her.
You okay?
Oh, I'm fine.
It's kinda hot.
Thanks. That's what I was going for.
Are you ready to go home?
You know, they gotta do some more x-rays. Nita can give me a lift.
You better avoid home for quite a while. He's horny already.
Oh, I love that movie. Oh, I laughed, I cried, I came.
No shit.
Come, Dog Millionaire. Does that even make sense?
You need something?
We're here to see Georgie.
You got an appointment?
No.
Then you don't see him.
Yeah, we're here for that casting.
Auditions are out back.
Well, why am I not surprised?
Hello, Snow Lady.
Shit, I didn't know that. The kid's mom.
I wish it was that gash. That was before I got patched. Found out she was pregnant. Really loved that one.
Is he serious or making this shit up?
You're not alone, huh?
I appreciate it.
Seems like Tick killing Ope's wife was the best that could have happened to their friendship. They're bonding. They are bonding.
While we're here, you want to say a prayer with me? I'm not big on praying. Sure you are. Look at the way you holding him. I can see it in your face. You thanking God.
Not so sure about that. Because Jesus is just a guy that cuts her lawn. I'm not blaming you for not knowing it, because she said it in season 1, when you weren't around yet, but that's how it is.
Jax, don't you do anything!
Who the hell you think you're talking to? Get her patched up!
Okay.
Call the rest of your talent! Tell them to lock their goddamn doors!
Sorry.
Immediate retreat. Okay. I didn't say anything. Oh, one guy dares to fight back.
We offer protection, a space, front her a little cash for the shit the feds took. Split the profits.
Yeah, and I could upgrade her internet shit. And I was blessed with an excellent eye for casting. Everybody loves pussy.
I second that.
Third it.
I'm a very big fan of pussy.
All in favor, like I gotta ask.
Pussy!
All right. It's like we're making movies.
That was probably the most unnecessary vote ever.
You okay?
Oh, God. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I didn't mean to be such a pain in the ass, Jax.
Wait a minute.
Oh, don't.
Luann, relax.
What the fuck?
You think I brought you here to Adriana you?
If she really thought that, why did she even come?
And if I say no?
It's your only play, darling. We both know that.
Then you will never leave this building alive.
Life was so much easier when I was just sucking dick.
Speaking of which, on your knees. Oh. Fucking Mayans, huh? Right? Did they get tipped off by the clowns?
Hold your fire, man. Let them have the guns.
Gotta take care of our guys.
Hope he's not having it. Man, he's kinda losing grip on reality, huh?
Information was good. I owe you.
Yes, you do.
Knew it. Yeah, knew it. These clowns.
You need to talk to somebody about what happened. Doesn't mean you're weak. It just...
That's why I've got you.
So seems like she really is okay with her, which still makes me wonder what happened to Wendy. Not that I miss her or anything, but it just feels like they skipped something there. Unless she comes back a couple of episodes later. Hey, I'm back from my cruise.
You want to challenge me? Fine. I don't give a shit. But the minute it stops becoming about this club and it starts becoming personal, they'll lose respect for you. And they won't trust you anymore. And then you'll be handling everything on your own. Think about that, son.
That he even dares to make speeches like that after what he has done. Ah.